Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. This week, the medical device world is buzzing about a landmark announcement from the US FDA and the European Union's Medical Device Coordination Group. They have released a new, harmonized guidance on Predetermined Change Control Plans, or PCCPs, for AI and machine learning-enabled medical devices. On the surface, this is a massive victory for innovation. A PCCP allows manufacturers to get pre-approval for planned future updates to their algorithms, avoiding the lengthy resubmission process for every single change. This promises to accelerate the pace of improvement for smart medical technology. The new guidance aims to create a single, streamlined pathway for companies looking to market their adaptive AI devices in both the US and the EU. This alignment is a significant step toward reducing regulatory burdens and costs. It provides a clearer framework for what manufacturers must include in their submissions, from the specific planned modifications to the methodology for validating those changes. For global companies, this means a single regulatory strategy could unlock two of the world's largest markets simultaneously. The potential savings in time and resources are enormous, and the industry has been anticipating this for years. However, the devil is in the details, and a recent case highlights a critical challenge. Let's consider a hypothetical but realistic example involving a German company, Cardio AI GmbH. They received approval for their cardiac monitoring device with a detailed PCCP. The plan specified that their algorithm could be updated based on new data from a specific patient demographic. Last month, they rolled out an update. The update was based on data that included a slightly wider age range than originally defined in their plan. They believed this was a minor, acceptable deviation. They were wrong. EU authorities flagged this as a significant modification outside the scope of the approved PCCP. The reasoning was that any change to the data sourcing protocol, no matter how small, is considered material. As a result, Cardio AI GmbH received a warning and had to halt sales pending a new regulatory submission. This case reveals the hidden trap in the new guidance. The harmonized rules demand an unprecedented level of specificity and a rigid adherence to the pre-approved plan. The dream of seamless continuous updates is real, but it requires an incredibly robust and detailed initial submission and a flawless execution of post-market data governance. This new landscape demonstrates that while the path to market is becoming more streamlined, the compliance risks are becoming more subtle and severe. Companies must now meticulously define every aspect of their AI development lifecycle in their submissions to avoid unexpected penalties. Navigating this requires deep regulatory expertise. For more insights on how to build a resilient global regulatory strategy for your AI medical device, contact us at info@pureglobal.com or visit Pure Global online.